Hello friends, today we would be dealing with these patterns, this first pattern and the second and over here second pattern. Okay, so let's see. Let's first we will print this pattern, the whole pattern, not this for the basic one. This I, there's 0th row, first row, second row, third row, and J 0 column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, we have to print all things, so we need two for loops for I and for J. Okay, so let's print this out. I have done this before also. Okay, so let's take two for loops. Let's go for maximum as less than 4 and for less than 4, and we have to print this out. So system.out.println, and this is star. What if we print this star one? So ln, using ln, so we every star will be on the next line. We don't want this output, so we just delete this ln and we use print it. But for getting in the second row we need this system.out.println. Okay, so after doing this we get the proper pattern over here. Did you got that? Now let's see another one. This one, let's go for this one. I is 0, I is 1. This was very basic one, that's why I haven't explained it too much. This is I is 0, I is row, 0 row, first row, second row, that's R for I, and J for 1, first, second, 0th column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, for 0th row, first row, second row, third row, as jth column is increasing from 0 rows. For at 0th row it is 0th column. Okay, and for first row there's till first column, that's maximum. So what is happening over here? J's maximum is I plus 1 over here. You can see as I is 0, so I plus 1, so I has become 1, so I 1 plus 1 is 2. That's how we have to go for the jth loop. Okay, the jth loop works like that. So let's see. Let's do create in this only. So what is happening over here? It was I plus 1, as column was I plus 1. Okay, column was I was 0, so the 0th column was I 0 plus 1, that is first column was printed. For 0th column was printed for first column, so I plus 1, that is I was 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, so for two columns are printed, so maximum it is giving the maximum one. Okay, so that's all it was giving. So let's print this out. We got the output. Okay, now let's try with the let's try with let's try with this pattern. Okay, let's try with this pattern. Here I is 0, J is 0, J, the column is there, all columns are present, so this is still max. For I first row, the column has started decreasing now. As you can see, as the I become 1, so it has started decreasing. At 0 all columns are present. At 1, 4, it has turned to 4 minus 1, that is 3. It starts from 0, so that is 4, length is 4, so 4 minus 1, that is I is minus 1, I is 1. Okay, so I have, as on the second column, second row, I 4 minus 2, that is the 4, that's the maximum is 4, the length is 4, so 4 minus 2, as you can see that as we are increasing. 4 minus 0, that is I is 0, 4 minus 1, that is 3, column we got 3, that's why the maximum, that's the maximum. Did you got that? So let's print this out, how it will work. We have to go, the jth column was 4 minus I, 4 minus I. Okay, it was giving the output like that. See, we got the output. Okay, we can even do other ways also, like we could make this I and keep this 4. What will happen over here? As I is 0, then all if I is 0, then all are printed. If I become 1, so it will start from, if J is J equal to I, that's I become 1, so J will become 1, so it will start from 1 2 3 less than 4, so 1 2 3, only 3 will be printed. Okay, 3 times it will print. Okay, both of way it's okay, but I prefer this one because it would be easy for programming and further. There are more ways also, whichever we like we can do it. Okay, I have done more programs over it. Please go and watch it. It will be more clear if you keep on watching it. It will be more clear, and keep on doing it. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for getting more videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching.